What if people started trusting you, not just your product? What if your name, your face, your style made people want to buy, follow, and share your work automatically? That's the power of a personal brand. And today, I'll show you how to build one using free AI tools, even if no one knows you yet. By the end of this video, you'll have a full AI-powered identity that works for you 24/7. Most people online are invisible. They post, they sell, but nobody remembers them. A personal brand changes that. It's what makes people say, I trust this person. And with AI, you don't need to be famous or rich. You just need the right system. Step 1. Create your AI identity. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. You are my branding coach. Create a personal brand identity for me based on my niche. Example, helping beginners make money online. Include my tone of voice, brand color palette. In short bio, ChatGPT will generate your entire online personality. How you talk, how you design, and how you attract people. Copy that into Notion or Google Docs. That's your brand blueprint. Step 2. Look professional. Go to canva.com and type logo. Choose AI Brand Kit. With free tools, you can upload your colors and fonts that ChatGPT suggested, and Canva will design your posts automatically. You'll have one style that people start recognizing instantly. Your voice matters more than your product. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, write 5 short motivational quotes in my brand's tone that I can post on social media. Those quotes become your posts, video scripts, or even taglines. The goal is to make people recognize your energy before they even see your name. Now that your brand looks and sounds right, it's time to show up. Pick 2 free platforms like TikTok plus Instagram or YouTube Shorts plus Pinterest. Post short clips of your advice, AI tips, or stories. You don't even need to show your face. Just use CapCut templates or Canva videos with your voice or captions. People will start recognizing your name, your message, and your style. The secret to growing your brand is consistency, and AI can handle that too. Use ChatGPT plus Metricool free to plan your posts for the week. Every Monday, ask ChatGPT, create my weekly content calendar based on my brand identity. You'll get post ideas, captions, and hashtags all aligned with your brand voice. The moment you start treating your name like a brand, your results change. People follow you, they trust you, they buy from you. And the best part, AI keeps your brand alive 24/7, even when you're not online. In the next video, I'll show you how to create viral AI content that attracts buyers automatically, even if you have zero audience right now. So if you're serious about building your freedom empire, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because your brand isn't just a logo, it's your future.